Hello, let's talk VA. Many veterans are unaware of the details of their VA benefits when it comes to VA home loans. Unfortunately, there's a lot of misconceptions about the VA loan process. Myth 1. You don't have your VA Certificate of Eligibility, so you can't apply for a loan. The fact is, your lender can request your certificate on your behalf. Myth number 2. The Department of Veterans Affairs gives veterans home loans. The fact is, the Department of Veterans Affairs offers specific guarantees to private lenders that handle VA loans. Because of these guarantees, lenders will issue loans to candidates with no down payment or less requirements than other loans. Myth number 3. Veterans can only use their VA home loan benefits once. The fact is, VA loans are not a one-time benefit. You can use them multiple times. Myth number 4. VA loans are small loan amounts and only work for the first-time home buyer. The fact is, VA home loans are available at traditional loan limits and above. There is no longer limits if you have full entitlement, meaning if you do not owe on a VA home loan, you're good to go. Myth number 5. It's too difficult to qualify for a VA loan. The fact is, it's easier to qualify for a VA loan. Typically, a slightly lower credit score is required and less stringent guidelines. Myth number 6. You cannot have multiple VA loans at the same time. The fact is, if you use your VA benefits to purchase a home and later the length is determined by the lender, you did not use all your eligibility, you can apply the remainder partial entitlement to a second VA home loan. This is when the county loan limits come into play. Myth number 7. VA home loans can only be used to buy a primary property. In fact, a VA home loan can also be used to refinance. Myth number 8. Loans are too long to close for VA. In fact, most VA home loans don't have to take any longer to close than any other type of loan. The key is working with a lender and a realtor who know the VA process. Myth number 9. VA home loans are too expensive with the upfront funding fee. In fact, as with FHA and conventional, you'll need to meet your lender's credit and income requirements to get a loan. When you do the math, it'll probably work out for the best. A VA funding fee could be financed into the loan and is a one-time fee, or if you meet the criteria, the funding fee could be waived. Myth number 10. Veterans have to be discharged or retired to use the VA home loan benefit. The fact is, active service members get full access to the VA mortgage benefits too. After 181 days of continuous service or 90 days during wartime period for active duty personnel. Myth number 11. Members of the Reserve or the National Guard are not eligible. The fact is, National Guard members and reservists are eligible for a VA home loan if they completed at least 6 years of honorable service, are mobilized for an active duty service for a period of at least 90 days, or are discharged because of service-connected disability. Myth number 12. Veterans who serve away from home or overseas can't get a loan until they're returned to occupy the property. The fact is, members are away on active duty can obtain a VA home loan if they intend to return home within a year, or a spouse who will occupy the property in the interim. Myth number 13. Widows or widowers of veterans are not eligible for VA loan benefits. That's not true. The fact is, serving spouses of fallen veterans who died on active duty or as a result of service-connected disability may be eligible for a VA loan. Myth number 14. VA home loan appraisals are tougher than those of a conventional FHA loan. That's just not a fact. VA does not appraise or inspect your home. Your lender contracts with a VA-approved appraisal who will review the property to determine a value for the home based on the same comps of other properties sold that they would use if it was a FHA or a conventional loan. During the appraisal process, the appraiser will determine mechanical systems are usable and safe. Heating must be adequate, water available, roofing must be adequate, basement and crawl space must be problem-free and accessible, and foundation good. This is not a home inspection. However, VA and FHA underwriting guidelines have a minimum difference in reference to the property requirement. The requirements are almost identical between the two values. This being said, most rehabs will not pass a VA appraisal or FHA or loans for VA rehab, but they will also make the price of your loan increase. Myth number 15, you can only buy a single-family home with a VA home loan. In fact, you can purchase a single-family condo, townhome, or up to 4-unit multiple family that meet the underwriter's guideline requirements. Myth number 16, the VA inspects the home. Fact, if you would like an inspection of the home, which I always recommend, you or your agent will need to contact a licensed home inspector. Myth number 17, with a VA loan, you can buy investment property. The fact is, with a VA loan, you're limited to primary property only. You can't buy a vacation or investment property. Even if it's a multiple family, 2 to 4, you must live in one of the units. Myths aside and know the facts. Thank you.